Okay, we're back. Oh yeah. This is Logic on Steroids channel. Please hit subscribe, like this video. Yo, here's another one right here, man. This time we got a Boquisha's brother. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is my first time watching this footage right here. So, like I said, hit like, subscribe, all this blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Let's get into it.
On June 2nd, 2025, officers were called when a man started making some very weird gestures at a Dollar Tree in Illinois, which made the other customers very uncomfortable. When the police arrived to detain him, he started to act very belligerent and uncooperative.
Uh-oh. Not at Dollar Tree?
Okay.
I see.
Everything ain't for $1 no more over there.
You have a coffee out me?
I'll be snapping too.
What's up, man? Come here.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm okay.
You okay?
No.
What's wrong?
They're saying you've been in here for a while touching yourself.
No.
What's going on?
Oh, hell no. Touching yourself. Oh, man. Here we go.
Okay, you got your ID, anybody?
No, ma'am.
Alright. I need to get your name, alright?
Terrell.
Terrell. Can you spell it out for me?
Terrel.
Gotcha. Do you have a last name? Is that your actual last name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have a middle initial?
No.
Your birthday? You are.
I'm detained?
Yes. Yeah.
May I leave, please?
No. You're not
No.
free to leave. Not right now, man. We're just gonna figure it out.
Alright.
Okay. Do you have a phone
It
number?
do look normal too.
No, I do not.
Okay. No middle initial?
No.
3, can you run a name, DOB?
I have I'm sorry.
No, you're not free to leave. You're not free to leave.
Oh, here
You're
he
not free
goes.
to leave, man.
Alright, well, let's have this conversation outside.
21, can you step it up? No.
Oh,
we're
no,
not
no,
going
no.
anywhere.
We can go
No, we're
outside.
not going anywhere.
We're definitely
We're
going
not going
outside.
anywhere.
Ma'am.
We're not going anywhere.
Ma'am,
Stop.
let's not.
Stop.
Ma'am,
Stop.
let's not.
Stop.
Ma'am.
Don't grab me.
I'm not grabbing you.
Stop. You're not
May I
going
please-
anywhere.
may I please
You're
step
staying.
See, this is what I mean when I say Boquisha's brother. Yo, what makes you think that you don't have to listen to the cop? They came here for you specifically. So you have to listen. You're making it worse when you don't.
In here.
Okay,
You're
ma'am,
staying
look.
here. Stop.
Ma'am, look.
Stop.
Ma'am, what's
Stop.
And now he got his hand, now they physically touching each other. Off bat right there, that's ag bat.
Oh, no, great. I'm not doing none of that.
Hey,
We can
step
go
it up.
outside. Look.
Stop. 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 Stop.
Oh, that's okay.
Like he's overpowering her. When you physically touch her like that, what you overpower, they don't like that
Hey,
shit.
I'm cooperative, but I don't like
Stop.
police.
Stop.
I don't want no trouble,
Stop.
man. I'm just trying to go home,
Yeah, step
bro.
it up.
I don't want no trouble,
Stop.
ma'am.
She say step it up. When they say step it up, that means get your ass over here. Her back up.
You tough as
You're
hell.
not free
Hey,
to
you
leave.
strong as hell.
You're not free to leave.
Okay, I'm not free to
Bro,
leave.
stop.
I'm okay with that, but I'm just
Stop.
gonna go outside.
Bro, stop.
Hey, bro.
Stop. You're
There
not
is
free to
no
leave.
bro. Taze, none of
You're
that
not
shit.
free to leave.
Damn, G.
Stop.
Okay, I'm okay
Stop.
with that.
Stop.
Damn, bro.
Stop.
Tweaking on
Stop.
they'll break me,
You're
bro.
gonna get.
Man, hell no.
Stop.
Watch out, man. I ain't with none of that.
You're gonna get tased.
She's doing everything in her power not to tase him. Well, she's not wrong for what she's doing. She's pushing him on items. She's putting her hands out. She's stiff arming him. But he's just, he want to go outside, so I guess he can run and go home with some shit, or go run hide in the grass, go play with himself.
You're gonna get tased.
We can go
You're gonna get
outside, bro.
tased. Stop.
Damn, can we go
Stop.
outside?
Now, legally, they cannot tase you if you don't pose a threat. You know what I mean? So he's so calm when that taser's out. He knows something about this shit, how the game goes. But if the officer wanted to be a dick, you still get the business.
And I'm not leaving.
You're not free to leave right
That's
now.
okay, but I'm not
We're
trying
not talking
I'm
outside.
not going against you.
We're not talking. Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
We're not talking outside.
He can still walk outside with that taser pointing at him if he walks out real calm and slow in a non-threatening manner.
I'm not going
Step
against you.
back over there.
I'm not going against
Step
you.
back over there.
What's up, gang?
Yeah, you're
All
done.
right, that's cool.
Get on the ground.
Get on the
Now,
ground.
Wait, stop.
We're both good. Get on the ground.
Dude.
I don't want to get tased.
You're gonna
Get
get
on the
tased.
ground.
Back
I
up.
don't want to get tased.
You're
I
under
gotta
arrest
go-
now. You're under
Now-
arrest.
Why is he walking towards the officers? Even if you don't pose a threat, your hands are in a gesture as if like you're not posing a threat. Okay, that's cool. But why are you walking towards them? some officers could be a dick.
Yes, you are.
You are. How? If you don't want to get under.
Hey
if you don't wanna
guys,
get
look,
tased.
I don't want to get tased.
Yeah, you're not
I
listening
want
to
to have a
anyone.
wonderful conversation with everybody. And
So
we can
you're
leave.
under arrest, though. Get on the ground.
You don't want to have a conversation with shit, because if you could choose to A, have a conversation with the police, or B, go in the grass, go play with yourself, you're gonna do that. You'll do anything other than this right here. So chill out.
That's cool.
No.
Hey,
Stop.
that lady put me on camera.
Stop. You're under
That's what I'm
arrest.
gonna tase
That's
him.
okay. I'll go into
You're under
You wanna
arrest.
get tased?
Get out.
Look how far he has gotten with authority in his presence. Look how far he's gotten.
Oh, shit. Colonel.
Gotcha.
Hey, I'm Colonel.
Gotcha, bitch.
Caught on 4K, clear as day.
Oh, stop.
Turn on your stomach.
Dead dude, bald as hell. He's still crawling.
You're gonna get it again. Stop.
You're under arrest.
Stop.
Cool with that, but y'all don't gotta do this to me, bro.
Turn over.
He like a. I tell you that's Boquisha, brother. Because only Boquishas will grab their wig and put it back on their head that fast. He's trying to cover up his bald spot. Man, you a man. Hey, man, you tripping.
Turn on. You're gonna get it again.
Turn over.
No.
Turn over. Turn over.
Alright, I'm cool with
You're
it.
under arrest.
Now, folks, come on, man.
Turn your hands behind your back.
Look, I'm not on no bullshit.
Your hands behind your back.
Man, please.
No, you're gonna get it again.
He like a totally different person on that ground.
I don't want to
You're gonna
tase,
get
bro.
it again.
Hey, look, just let me please. Why you gotta drag me? I'm not on no bullshit with y'all, bro. Please, just let me go.
Over, dude.
Okay, damn. Can y'all not hurt me, bro?
Flip over.
No, if you're not on no BS, what you call this?
Please don't hurt me, bro.
Flip
Damn.
over.
Flip on your stomach.
Okay, but wait.
Don't
Wait. Why y'all
He's simply not listening.
letting me hurt me, bro?
Put your hand behind your back.
Please just listen to me. Please just listen to me, bro. Please, bro, please. Please just listen to me. I'm not on no bullshit. I don't.
Get on the ground.
Here's it. We got it. Here's it.
Something is seriously wrong with his mental.
Yeah, go.
Well, with his mind.
Damn,
Stop.
damn, don't do me like this, gang. Don't do me like this. Please,
Come on, let's get off here. Move your arm.
please just listen to me, y'all. Damn, can y'all listen to me, please? Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Can somebody please listen to me? Damn, what's up?
You see, they already know what they were called in for, and they not with all that craziness, all that humping yourself and all that in public. That's weirdo crap.
Wait. Everybody wait. Stop. Y'all don't gotta do this, bro.
No, you
Yeah, my taser's on.
It's the equivalent to how they'll treat a pedo.
Anything. Wait, y'all cuffing my leg.
Knock it off.
Stop. Wait.
Move it! Stop fighting.
One of my
Stop
white
fighting.
guys, stop me out.
You're under arrest.
I'm
Stop
okay.
moving.
I'm okay with being under arrest. Can somebody please cover my head? My shit look bogus as hell.
No one cares.
She said, "No one cares."
No.
Just put a hat on my head, bro.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Kuna, you alright?
I'm not on no bullshit, y'all.
Alright, get him inside.
Wait.
Stop pulling your
Everybody,
pants
Come
out.
on, I tased him. You gotta get the tase out. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Get him out.
Put my hat on my head, y'all. Everybody, listen to me.
Everybody
Everybody, listen. I'm not on no bullshit, y'all. I'm
Let me
done.
pull it out.
I'm done, y'all. Hey,
I have it.
you right here. You not putting your hat on?
She was still strapped in, ready to give him some more.
I gotta look ugly, y'all.
Oh my God, this man worried about his looks. This man is a whole woman.
Yeah, everybody,
Stop.
damn, can y'all be my friends for 1 minute?
How many you got?
Huh?
2?
Wait.
Didn't go through.
Wait.
Stop his pants. Just, well, watch those.
Can y'all be my friends for 1 minute, man? I'm chilling. I'm not on no bullshit.
cross your feet.
All right, well, he's stepping on my Air Force One. He just bought them.
Will you step
Oh,
on
yeah.
Just bought them, by the way.
Yeah.
great.
Yep.
Go on your side. Go on your left side.
All right, well,
Don't tell me they got a Hannibal Lecter him and throw him in a hobble.
Use your chest. Use your chest. Use your chest.
I will grab it.
Okay, I'm gonna send you my way.
Yes. Damn, thank you, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna lift you.
all right, cool. You good?
Okay, I guess not.
Yeah, you good?
Y'all some cool guys, man. What's up, fellas? I like this guy right here. All right, he look like he be lifting heavy.
Got any injuries?
I got some injuries when she tased me in my ass.
Well, you in the ambulance right now?
Nah, broski, just
I bet you liked it too.
pick me up. Pick me up real quick. And can maybe please talk, fellas.
Now you gonna do this every Saturday, hoping she don't miss. She get the same exact spot.
2, 3.
Thanks,
Could have
man.
talked in
We
there,
tried
but you
talking.
know,
You
it's
weren't
fine.
listening.
I was trying to listen, but
You
she
weren't listening at
was
all.
whooping my ass, y'all. Hold
Okay,
on.
yeah,
Give my
sure.
shoe, brother.
I will grab it.
All right, hold on, y'all.
It's a great excuse not to stop and talk to the police.
I love to talk to y'all. Y'all be
You obviously don't.
Who's got gloves on? You want to search
Wait,
them up real quick?
everybody. Do I gotta go through this?
Yes.
Why?
Go.
I'm going to jail?
Walk. This way. Search them up first.
Now he's shocked that he's going to jail after he did not comply.
Yes. I'm going in front of my car.
Hey, y'all got me in car.
Yes.
May I please?
Yeah, lean against the car. Alright. Lean against the car. Separate your legs, please. Separate your legs. Separate your legs, thank you.
This what I'm going through?
Yeah. Separate your legs.
I tell
Separate
y'all,
your
I am
legs,
not a
said,
bad guy,
Separate your
fellas.
legs.
Come on, man. They asked you to separate your legs. I know you like that too.
Quit tensing up your legs, bro.
I'm
Relax.
not even
Relax.
tensing my legs. I'm not a bad guy, y'all.
Didn't say you were.
May I please leave?
Separate
Hey,
your
mama,
legs,
tell
thank
him I
you.
was cool.
Stop pulling away.
Stay on the hood.
Chill out, bro. Chill out.
Damn, y'all.
Separate your legs, man, for the 5th time.
I really have. Y'all want me to do like this? Hold on. Let me hit my model stance. I
See, he like that shit.
wait.
Oh man, bro.
No, you're not.
I can't leave. Damn, I gotta go with the police?
Yes.
Wow, what did I do? Damn, man. This ain't good, y'all.
Audio and video recorded.
All right, that's cool.
Have a seat.
Step in so we
Sit,
can
man.
buffer you in.
Can I? Come on, y'all. I'm not.
Okay, here's the feet thing again. Will he put his foot in without an issue?
Even on no bullshit, y'all.
What's your first name?
Huh?
What's your first name?
Why, y'all?
Because I don't know
already
that
gonna
it's
do me-
been. Sir,
Y'all
turn,
already gonna do me dirty.
foot in. Turn around and get in the car. Put your foot in.
Come on, y'all.
Put your other foot.
I'm not like on no bullshit. I'm not a
You're
bad
not
guy,
listening.
y'all. I'm trying my best,
Go.
bro.
You're still pushing back.
But I'm not.
Don't worry about the buckles.
Okay, they got it in one shot.
Yes. Yeah. Oh. The
Oh, man.
Are in the rubber glove on that hood. Okay. Yeah, I'm good. It was good.
Yo, where do these people come from? What part of the sky do they fall out of?
Okay. All right. Everything looks good. I'm sorry. Yeah.
All right, lady, give us the details, man.
You know,
Yeah.
want to fight, so that's fine. But yeah.
We just gave him benefit of the doubt to let him keep shopping.
Yeah, I hear
Enough
ya.
wasn't enough. Once
Okay.
the customer started complaining, we just said,
Yeah. All right. No worries. We'll let him know he's trespassed as well. Okay.
Okay, please.
All right. Thanks, sweetie. Go ahead and lock up. Yeah.
Hey. Yes, sir. We're gonna do everything I say, right? Yes, sir. We're gonna do anything I don't say? Yes, sir. All right, step out. Thank you. I'm right here. Stay right here for a second.
Hello, everybody.
Stay right here.
Yes, sir.
There's nothing on you gonna be worried about. I'm gonna get in trouble for later.
No, sir.
Okay. This way, sir.
That's fine. Hey, fellas. How's everybody doing, man? What's your name, brother?
Great.
You see, he has to wait until everything has gotten worse for him to start acting right. And that's the behavior of the bequeathers and all that stuff. You know what I mean? Tighten up.
Walk in. I'm gonna have you face the brick wall on the left.
Yes, sir.
So go ahead. Turn right here. Face this wall.
Yes, sir.
So step in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go.
May I please leave, fellas?
Not yet.
Anything. And I didn't mean to cause any trouble.
Elliot, this is
Yes,
Officer Brett. He's going to search you again.
Okay.
Do everything he says.
So yes, sir.
They talk to him like he deaf.
What's up, everybody, man? I wouldn't have to make it out this, but no.
He sure listen like he is.
I hope so.
Can you keep your shoes off, brother?
Yes, sir. Dang, man. They ain't have to do me like this. They could just say, hey, can you leave?
Turn around. Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
All right, listen, man.
Yes, sir.
If I take up these colors, you'll be cool?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm as cool as it gets, man.
Okay. I'll take up the colors and I'll fix your hand on the wall. Do
All right,
not move
sir.
until I say so, okay?
Yes, sir. Thanks, bro.
There you go.
Thanks, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. He run some cool officers.
Oh, dang, dog. I hope I don't be in no trouble, y'all. Is there a way I can get out of
That's what I want to know.
Yes, sir.
Elliot, yeah, so you said, just listen to everything we say, okay?
Yes,
And on the wall.
sir. Yes, sir.
You take off the do-rag off your head?
Man, it's ugly under there.
Still policy. It's still policy, man. I gotta take it off.
It's
You gotta take
ugly.
it
I
off.
was begging him to put it on. Take it off for me, bro.
Wow. Who you trying to look good for? The other guys? He man trying to look good for the other guys.
It's ugly, man.
All right.
The other inmates.
Damn, y'all.
Then,
Man, I put it back on.
not while you're in here.
I remember when I was locked up a while ago, man, I had white facial hair growing as a beard. I didn't shave none of that. I was like Black Jesus. Toasty! I didn't give a damn how I looked like. I was all pepper sprayed out. I'm looking like the Saget Jesus.
Bible uppercut!
Yeah, leave it, bro. Thank you.
All right, with your hands on the wall, do me a favor, lift one of your legs up, whichever one. Hold it up.
Am I gonna get out tonight?
The other one. Like I said, we gotta make a phone call. I've told you the process. We're gonna go in.
Okay.
So now we gotta finish your process, and I'll explain everything to you. Okay? All right.
He was charged with resisting arrest and criminal trespass. Do you think he needs a mental evaluation by a therapist after his ridiculous and foolish responses towards the police after they tried to arrest him? Share your comments below and stay tuned for more crime on Bodycam.
All right, y'all subscribe to this channel right here. They don't want to provide the video. You know what I'm saying? Be thankful towards them and check out some more videos that they have. They be having some bomb ass videos. This ain't the first one I had. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, go ahead, subscribe to this channel as well. Logic on Steroids. Like the video, share. More videos to come. More crazy people. Let's go.